In this video, I show you how to get paid $600 per day to watch YouTube videos. This is a new way to earn free paper money by watching videos online. What to do? We'll find out soon. Very few of the people who watch my videos actually subscribe. So, if you end this video useful, you might want to sign up for email updates. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. So, whenever I find a new way to make money online, I'll let you know so you can be one of the first people to use it. So make the most money, of course. Enjoy it. So step 1 is to get your phone, step 2 is to click, play, and watch a short YouTube video, and step 3 is to cash out your money using different payment methods such as PayPal. When you watch one video, you can earn up to $3. When you watch 20 videos, you earn $60, and if you watch 200 videos per day, you earn $600. This is an easy time for beginners to make money that is also free. You don't have to earn anything to make money. The best part about this method is that everyone can use it. So, you will earn money no matter what country you live in, and you can start right now. So I'll show you how to sign up and what videos to watch to earn the most money with this method. Now, write something before I explain you how to do this in a comment below. I'm from your country, which is blank. So, I'll know for sure where you're from, so I can make sure that every video I release in the future is for you. So drop the name of your country in the comment section below, and don't forget that I have something special for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay and keep watching all the way until the end. Now, let's get started. As you can see, this YouTube video is just over a minute long. When you watch these kinds of videos, you will earn $3. You can watch these kinds of videos on your computer or on your phone. So the first thing I want you to do is go to this website. This website is completely free, and you don't need to spend any money to start using it. You can make money on this website by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and other things, but we'll focus on watching videos because it's the easiest and most profitable thing to do. The best thing about this website is that when you sign up for an account, you'll get a $1 bonus. To do this, just enter in your first name, email address, and a username. Then, create a password and click on the drop-down arrow next to the country section. You'll see that they accept people from many different countries, so it doesn't matter where you're from. You can start right away and earn a lot of money online with this. So when you're done with that, click on this box, read the privacy policy and membership agreement, and then hit the sign up button. You can pay for things on this website in a lot of different ways, but I really think you should use PayPal. This website offers you a lot of ways to earn money online. The best thing about this website is that it offers out a lot. Here, it says that you can earn between 65 and 85%. Unlike other sites that only give you 40 to 60% off, they will take you to this page after you sign up. As you can see, for every 100 points you earn, they'll give you $1. Once you reach $7, you can automatically cash out your money through PayPal Bitcoin or gift cards. So, if you want to keep going, just scroll down and click this button right here. So once you're done clicking that, you can now sign into your account. Here is a picture of the dashboard. Here you can see that I got a $1 sign-up bonus. You can also see how much money you might be able to make by doing the offers. You can look at this section and see the companies and their offers on this website. These are some of the world's best companies that really are the best. You can earn a lot of money by doing these offers. But, as I said before, we're going to focus on watching YouTube videos because it pays the most and is the easiest thing to do. Keep in mind that some of the offers are only available for a limited time, so try to get them done as soon as you can, but quickly. If you guys like this video, which took me a lot of time and effort to make, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and made sure to subscribe with notification. If we get 2,000 likes on this video, I'll drop a brand new video next week to show you how to make even more money online doing simple guys like this from the comfort of your own home. So, if you want to earn money by watching videos, click right here where it says videos, and that will bring you to this page. As you can see here, for every 200 points you earn, you will get a silver token, which will add between $1 and $3 to your account balance. I like that you can watch different kinds of videos, like those about food, music, viral videos, gaming videos, and so on. So all you have to do is click on this button, which will take you to this page where you can watch the video. You can see that this video is just over a minute long. The best part is that you can earn $1 to $3 on this video alone right now. That is really cool. So the name of this website is .gg2u.org. Now, as I promised, here are some bonus tips for you, my regular viewers and subscribers. Watch all the videos from all the different categories at the same time. You can watch videos about food, music, games that are going viral, and so on. To do this, open a new tab in each browser. Then you can watch videos from all the different categories at the same time and even on more devices. So, if you have more than one phone or laptop, you can watch the videos on more than one time at once. You can earn more money here, and you don't even have to watch the videos. You can run them in the background while you do whatever else you want or need to do, and you'll already be making money. That's all there is to it. This is how you get paid to watch YouTube videos for free. If you want to earn even more money, check out the first link in the description below to learn how to get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos. This is a new way to earn free paper money by watching simple, short videos, and anyone can do it, even if they don't have any experience. Yes, it's possible, and in that video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Look at it. Thank you so much for watching, and please drop a like and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you don't miss any of the new stuff. As usual, I'll see you in a video soon.